Say goodbye to hair fall with only one ingredient in just 3 days. If you are worried about hair fall, in this post today I will share how can you control the growth, and that also 100% naturally. For this remedy you will need just one ingredient, and that is coriander leaves. Take a bunch of coriander leaves and grind it. You can add a little bit of water this time. Now filter this to get juice out of it. With help of cotton ball apply this juice on your scalp. No need to apply on your hair, just apply it on your scalp only. Leave it for 1 hour and then wash your hair with plain water. You can use this remedy every day and you can see results within a week. Cilantro juice. Coriander juice is a wonderful remedy for promoting new hair growth and combating hair loss, as it contains essential vitamins and proteins which help in hair growth. You can make a paste from fresh cilantro leaves using few drops of water and extracting its juice. Apply this on your scalp for an hour before shampooing. This pack should be used twice a week for 2 to 3 weeks to get effective results. Alternatively, you can infuse your hair oil with a powder made from cilantro seeds while massaging your hair. You can also prepare a hair rinse by boiling a bunch of cilantro leaves in water and cooling it. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.